Hello everyone!
And welcome to Madeira Island.
Back in March we had to leave Bali earlier than planned. After spending a few months in Poland, we started to think about our next destination.
And our choice was Madeira. To be honest, it was very easy to choose, as both of us knew that this island is perfect for us.
Madeira has so much to offer. Beautiful beaches, crystal clear ocean, forests and high mountains. The weather is warm for the entire year. That's why this place is called the Island of Eternal Spring.
It is also called European Hawaii because of its beauty. In addition to stunning views, it has amazing cuisine, interesting rich culture and nice, friendly people.
This island really has things for different kinds of travelers, from relaxing promenades of Funchal to crazy adventures in the highest mountains.
The opportunities are endless here. You can make so many things. Levada walking, mountain hiking, surfing, sailing, whale watching. You're definitely not going to be bored here.
So now you know why we chose this island. We're already here for a month and to be honest, we're still not sure how long we will stay.
Actually, we love this island so much that we're planning to stay a bit longer. We don't have a long-term plan. I guess we're gonna stay as long as we like it here.
Or till we explore the whole island.
There are so many wonderful places here. We've visited some of them already, but it's very difficult to describe their beauty. So, see yourselves.
We're ending today's video with the steep walk back home.
Tomorrow, early in the morning, we're going to Ponta do São Lourenço for the sunrise hike.
Okay, a car is coming.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to see more of Madeira. Leave some likes, comments, and see you in the next one. Ciao!